Welcome everybody. In today's short video, we're going to show you how to access Mastercam using the remote desktop client. This is going to be the preferred method to access Mastercam remotely. And this link that I've shown right here, this is on the web page that you're on right now. So you'll want to go ahead and click that link. And that link is going to bring you to this page right here. So connect with the Windows desktop client. Here's your installer client here. So we're going to use Windows 64-bit. If you're running a 32-bit system, you'll obviously need to run the 32-bit system. And if you are using a Mac, you can click this link down below here and you'll come up with the Mac OS client. Same exact process for installation here. So we'll go ahead and download the 64-bit client. We'll save that. Right, once it's downloaded here, you'll want to open that. If you're using Chrome, your downloads might show up down here. So let's go ahead and open this and we'll click OK on the executable. Now here we'll just walk through the simple wizard, accept the terms and license, simple install here, and we're good to go. And once you've got that downloaded, you'll see this icon down here. That's your remote desktop session. So you'll want to go ahead and from here, we're going to go ahead and subscribe. So what this is going to do is going to link your account, your identity account here. So I'm already signed in, but I'll show you how to sign in here. So you'll enter your CU identity at Colorado. Enter your password here, and that's going to log you in with your identity. So it might take a moment here. So once you've logged in here, what you're going to want to do is choose a compute method. So Mastercam will not perform appropriately if you use the compute enhanced. So what you're going to want to make sure is that anytime you log in here, you're going to want to be using the graphics enhanced when you're using Mastercam. Other applications might use compute, but for all Mastercam related access, you're going to want to be using the graphics enhanced option here. So let's go ahead and click that. And maybe double click that. It's going to call up a new window here, and again you're going to want to add your password, your identity password here, and we're connecting to the client. And as you can see now, we've got a brand new window. Now you can maximize this, and that's going to allow you to use this on your whole monitor. And just for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and try to minimize this a little bit. There we are. So we'll go ahead and click OK. And we're logging into the cloud. So it might take a moment just to get everything set up. So once we've gotten into our remote desktop client here, we'll go ahead and maximize this just so you can see. So we've got a brand new sort of desktop here. So as you can see, if I minimize this window, you've got your original desktop icons down below. And when you maximize this, now you have a fully immersive desktop session here. So you're basically running over the cloud right now, connected to the College of Engineering Cloud Compute resource. So what we're going to do here is go ahead and open Mastercam, and that's going to be in your Start menu, Mastercam 2022, and we'll go to Mastercam 2022. Alternatively, you could type Mastercam into the search bar, and it'll take a moment to load. Go ahead and click yes on the license agreement here. Click either way on the green checkbox here. Doesn't really matter too much. So what we're going to do here now is go ahead and open our file. So let me open Chrome here, and I'll navigate to the ITLL website. Go to the home page here. And the important thing is to make sure that when you download the sample part file, that you do it within the remote desktop session here. So let's go to workshops. We'll go to 3-axis CNC programming. And here's where we're going to find our part file. So let's go to the workshop outline. And let's go to the first video that we have here. And right here I've got my part here that's hosted. I can either download my part from here, or I can also download that right here. So if I go to the introduction, there's a simple download right here. So I'm going to go ahead and download this part file, and what I want to do is I've got it downloaded now. So from Mastercam, I'll go ahead and open that part file, and I just saved it to my downloads file. You can put it on your desktop or your OneDrive. So let me go ahead and open that part file. And right now it's only showing Mastercam files. So I need to make sure that this is set to all files. So here I have my step file. I'll click that and open it. And that's going to load my part file into Mastercam. And here we have it. We can see we've got our part file, and we're ready to go ahead and hop into the workshop. And so if you ever need to access Mastercam again, let's say another time you're working on a separate project, it's really easy to access that cloud desktop session again. What you're going to want to do is go to your start menu here, and under your programs list you'll have College of Engineering here, and you can simply click either Compute or Graphics Enhanced, and that's going to go ahead and launch another session. So again, really easy to access that cloud compute session.